Hello everyone, Philip Davidson with MarineMax of Orlando. I'm really excited to introduce you to this boat. It is the 24 Dauntless Pro from Boston Whaler. And it's also an Ultimate Edition. It's unique to MarineMax of Orlando. It's a one-of-a-kind. And let me show you a few of its features. One, on the rear fishing platform, you have the ability to have a seat on either side or clean the deck and have an ultimate fishing platform. On the Ultimate Edition here in Orlando, we've added SeaDeck to the entire floor of the boat. So no matter where you are on the boat, you're walking around on soft, comfortable SeaDeck flooring. As we go up to the helm, you can see there's nothing missing from the helm. We've got all the controls, we have all the electronics you could ever need, including major upgrades with respect to electronics and stereo system. Stereo system, we have 4 subs across the back. We have speakers facing the driver and passenger, and then we also have speakers facing the front of the boat, so no matter where you are on this boat, you are getting the ultimate sound. As we go through, you can see you have a second station. That's what the Pro designates on the Dauntless Pro. The Pro, you've got a full second station up there, and you have a comfortable seating position with conveniently placed holders for your rod, so you can fish this boat on your own, or if you see something that you don't want to tell the rest of the guys on the boat about, you can grab it yourself. SeaDeck on the gunnel as we go forward. So it's easy to walk on and off the boat onto the docks. Seating at the bow, a full head inside the center console. As we come forward, again, more SeaDeck up here. And you have a cushion. You want to get rid of this cushion and go hardcore fishing. Leave this at the dock. And again, you have SeaDeck covering the entire front. A really nice feature up here. These backrests kick up. You have a SeaDeck on there already, but also a cushion that mounts into place for even more comfort. So that is a quick look at the 24 Dauntless Pro from Boston Whaler here at MarineMax of Orlando. This is the Ultimate Edition. Has everything you could ever want to get out on the water. Let's get you on the water this weekend. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.